Which one is the first one? Which one is the second one?
That's the first one. And the second one is behind.
This is two. This is the second ship.
I wish you come closer and we look at the same documents. I'm failing to understand which one.
Okay, so we'll do like this. Confirm that item number one. Confirm that you bought item number one. The entire item number one. Are you the one who bought it or purchased it?
Yes.
You are the one who bought it. Turn on the second page. That item number one, it has 21,068 yen. Is that right? The second page.
21,068 years.
And used a credit card. It
Yes.
was a credit card or Visa. Is
Yes.
that right? That was your Visa, right?
Yes.
It's 21,068 yen. Using a Visa card. Let's go to item number two. Item number two shows a PC bomber. Is that right?
Yes.
Was this part of the stolen property in your statement?
Yes.
PC bomber, right?
Yes.
Was it also part of the stolen items in the charge sheet?
To say correctly, the PC bomber is a name of the shop and it is not an item which was stolen.
Just repeat that.
PC bomber is the name of the shop, but it is not item's name.
Okay. PC bomber was the name of the shop, but not an item. Now, which item did you buy in item number two?
It is EF 100, 400 millimeter.
It is what?
EF 100, 400.
EF 100.
400. Lens.
It's a lens. Is it anywhere there that that item reflects a lens? In that document, do you see a white lens?
No.
No. Thank you. And it was on cash on delivery, is that right? The last statement
Yes.
for the last note on
Yes.
it was cash on delivery.
Yes.
And that cash on delivery was 221, 410 yen, is that right?
Yes.
Is there any evidence that you paid that money? Beyond this email transaction?
I don't know if I still have the receipt. I'm
You don't
not
know whether
sure.
you still have the receipt. Am I right to say that you don't have the receipt yet?
I repeat, I am not sure
You're not sure.
if I have.
Let's look at item number three. Item number three, that's on page 3, also reflects a camera Canon, is that right? Camera Canon EOS 5D Mark III. Is that right? You have seen it?
Yes, yes. 5D Max 3.
And the amount of money was 376,738. Is that right?
Yes.
376,730. Yeah. And this property was also to be delivered, or cash was to be delivered. Cash was to be paid upon delivery, is that right? Brother is within the same document. The payment method.
Was it cash on delivery?
I don't remember.
Go to the last page. Go to the last page of that same document. Sorry. The last line. Where there's the total.
Yeah.
There's cash on delivery. Is that right?
I find cash on delivery fee, so I guess it was paid by cash on delivery, but I don't remember.
But you don't remember. Thank you. Am I therefore right to say that you never paid for that property, for that item?
No,
No. Do you have any receipt acknowledging the same?
I don't remember.
You don't remember. Let's look at item number 4. Item number 4 also is a Canon. It's a camera. And it was also to be paid.
The question is the same from item 1 to 10.
I'm not really. The
I'm
difference,
saying there's only the same one.
apart from a few which are coming.
Those that are the same, make them one question. Those that are different, otherwise we are going to spend more time on the same.
You know that somewhere they or someone else paid, not him. That's what I was flowing past.
Because where I'm saying some like from one, these are ones that can be same.
Most of us with the legacy. Let's go to item. We are now on item number 4. Together with item number 5. Mirrorless camera. Costing 83,575 yen. Also item number 9, which is the hard disk.
Are you following?
Yes,
All these 3 items were purchased on cash or by cash on delivery. Do you confirm the same?
Look at 4, 5, and 9. Those are what I was asking you about that fashion delivery.
for number 9, I see the word cash on delivery, so I guess it was paid by cash on delivery.
Number
But-
5,
Number 4,
4, 5,
and number 4 also had the same word, cash on delivery fee.
4 to 5.
Yes, this one written payment method, cash on delivery, so I think I paid by cash on
Cash on
delivery.
delivery. Am I therefore right to say, or do you have receipts
I don't remember
You don't
if I
remember.
have or not.
and you don't have the same receipts in court, right?
No, I don't have.
Thank you. You have number 6.
Yes,
Item number 6. There is a name of a person called Naomi Masuyama. Naomi Masuyama. Are you Naomi?
no,
You're not Naomi. Sorry? It is 6, 7, and 8. The same name. The same person. Nabesi Masuyama. Am I therefore right to say that you are not the one who purchased those properties?
I bought it for myself. I bought it by myself and I bought it for myself.
You bought it, family?
I bought it by myself and I bought it for myself.
Just repeat that. You bought for yourself and by yourself. Perfect. That means Naomi never bought anything.
She received the item on behalf of me.
She received the item on your behalf. Thank you. Is it anywhere here shown that she received the item on your behalf? Sorry?
This is not delivery note, so it's not written.
Sorry? Is it written anywhere here that Naomi received these properties on your behalf?
No.
Thank you.
But the delivery address,
You must have waited for the rest of the
And for paragraph number, for item number 6,
excuse me, let me correct my answer. Now here it is written address, and address shows Naomi Matsuyama, so this shows that
don't
she
worry, I'm not asking
received
for the address, don't worry. Don't worry. For item number 6, Naomi paid using her Visa card or credit card. Just want you to confirm the same.
Yes,
Is that right?
yes.
Thank you. Let's go to the last item, which is item number 10. Upon perusal of this item number 10,
Just number 10, yes.
my question in regards to item number 10 is, you're there?
Yes.
At the bottom here, it is showing that that's the bill. Did you ever receive this item?
Yes, I received it.
Did you ever receive that item?
Yes,
Have you ever paid for the same?
yes,
You have receipts in this honorable court.
yes.
You have the receipts for this item.
I don't remember.
You don't have. Mr. Wada, the overall total of all those items per the document you have before you is 1,323,861.
Which
That's in the end, the total of all the items before
items purchased.
purchased.
Is it written on this document?
No. It's a calculation. I added all the items,
Okay.
assuming you are the ones who bought them,
Yes.
right? And upon translating them into Ghana shillings, it is 34 million. My question therefore is that 34 million reflected in your statement at police?
As the properties you lost, the
As
value
the-
of the property you lost.
Some document you have before court on all the items, they show different address of delivery from item number 1 to item number 10. A good example is item number 4. place of delivery is Agawa Shigo, which is in Tokyo, in Japan. Is that right?
Let's rank in 4 and look at the place of delivery.
Number 4, the delivery address is not Tokyo.
Is what? It is room 403, Jimukimonda. Are you there? Have you seen it?
No. Number 4, it is written yes, in different place.
My apologies, I was on item number 3. Number 4 shows Sasumasenai City. Is that right?
Yes,
And that city is in Japan, right?
yes,
And upon perusal of all these items, there is no item which was delivered in Uganda. Is
yes,
that true?
yes.
Do you have any document that shows that those items were delivered in Uganda?
I brought it by myself.
You brought them by yourself, and you didn't have any documentation.
I do not make documents when I carry things, my personal things.
Am I therefore right to say that you even never paid your taxes in regards to those properties?
I pay.
You never paid.
I pay.
Sorry?
I paid.
Do you have it in court?
No, I don't have here.
Upon perusal of your statement and the charge sheet, some of the items therein are not in this document. Is that true?
Yes.
That's true, right?
True.
And am I therefore right to say that you don't have proof of purchase of those items in Uganda?
Some of them I didn't keep the document, and I don't have the document.
You don't have them.
No,
You don't have proof of purchase.
some of them.
Some of them. When your properties were stolen, did you ever write a complaint letter to SPA Security Group?
Yes,
You wrote a complaint letter.
yes,
And you also attached a list of stolen properties or items, right?
yes.
Upon perusal of the same, is this the one? What shows that that letter is yours?
Yes, I made this letter.
You made that letter.
Yes.
Okay. Just have it a little. Just open behind. There's a list of stolen items. Are all those lists of stolen items in the other document from Akera University?
No, not all of them.
Thank you. SGS sent a reply to your letter. Just peruse through this and confirm whether it's the same. Is that a reply to your letter?
Yes, I think.
Is that the reply to your letter?
I don't remember, but it is. This shows it is authentic.
Am I right to say that you own that document, so you are aware of it?
I need to cross-check with the copy I have in my office.
Let's say copy which will be better for us.
I repeat, this letter is attended to me.
Okay.
So I think I have the same copy, but I can say yes or no after cross-checking with the copy in my office.
Open behind. In that same letter, they wrote out several recommendations, but primarily the last recommendation. You were advised that you compile a list of receipts You compile a list of stock, you send it to them so that their insurance company pays you. Have you ever done that?
We have a case.
Did you do that?
May I answer your question?
Just answer directly. Did you compile the list and you send to the security company? Say that you did it
Yes
or you
or
didn't.
no?
Yes.
You compiled the same
Yes.
and you sent it.
Yes.
Thank you. Is it before this number court?
I don't remember.
You don't remember. Thank you. I therefore pray your honorable on this number court to tender in these two documents as defense exhibits. One, a letter which was written by the complainant, dated 8th February 2019. Sorry?
To where?
To SGA Security Group. Yes, Security Group. And a letter from SGA Security Group received on 14.
Or you go to compilation?
No. Again, you go to the prosecution.
Any objection? Then you give me all the process. These ones have items, they don't want to have them on the board. Your plan.
They were supposed to be ready to photocopy. The one washing there. Let's continue. First take the other one. When the photocopy will give it to you.
Yes, let me have it now first.
Yeah. Okay, I've seen. Found.
I don't think that they exhibited anything else.
We did two. I think there's his statement together with his additional statement.
We have one more already.
The plain statement, complainant statement was one. Yes, we have two. Additional statement was two.
That's right.
So this is going to be 3 and 4. Exhibit 3 and 4, the letter by him is exhibit 3, and the reply is 4.
Most of them. insurance company paying? Is there a civil matter in court in regards to the same robbery?
There is a civil suit against SGA.
There's a civil suit against this.
Which court?
It is High Court.
Civil division?
I told you what you have the document.
It's commercial court.
That's all. You're not the witness. If he doesn't remember, we put it on.
What's the number?
So,
You can check if you have that.
it is written civil suit number 1090 of 2020.
Of 2020.
10.
You filed your civil suit number. You filed the civil suit in 2020. Is that right?
Yes.
It took you a full year to file that matter. Is that right?
No.
Was the robbery in 2019?
It crossed the year, but I did not spend full year.
Okay. It was about to clock the year.
It was some months and crossed the year.
Okay, fine. Did you inform court about that civil suit number? About this, the commercial court matter?
To this court,
Did you inform police?
police,
Yes, about that case?
I don't remember, but I think, yes.
You don't remember?
I don't remember.
Don't remember. And you also never included it in your additional statement?
I don't remember.
Thank you. No further question. So it seems my client had some prayer to make with your guidance.
Possible. Absolutely. The prayer is not about it. Does he want to cross-examine you, please, sir?
No, it was examining. That is closed. It just has a different prayer. It's a different prayer.
Yes.
We kindly request this honorable court to
I can't have any
order
complaint
the complainant to be arrested.
And it's not my role to arrest. So if you have any evidence, go and complain to the police and they institute a case against him. I get cases from police. So if you know of a case against him, then you file, go the complaint, it is investigated and he will be arrested. That is the procedure. Yeah, so let police do its work.
I have lodged my complaint before this honorable.
Lodge your complaint, let the investigation commence. The same way you produced, you will be produced if there is evidence.
Yes, Your Worship. You said there were 3 people staying in that office who were sleeping in that office. Is that correct?
There was 2 people.
2 people. Where were they sleeping exactly?
They were sleeping in the first.
You know, I never asked about that.
Can't you remember from the previous time?
Oh, it's from previous time.
Yes. So they want me to read something
Oh, must have lied.
Go back to your notes. I did not.
It's okay.
Yes. Yes, tell God exactly where they were sleeping.
Two people were sleeping at the office, yes?
Yes, tell God where exactly they were sleeping.
The room was on the first floor and a bit far from the entrance.
I didn't get that.
There was first floor, then the other one is what?
Yes, both of them were sleeping in the first floor,
In one room or in separate rooms? Make us understand.
separate rooms.
But on the first floor.
Yes.
You employees to have been the one who actually stole your things. You also told court the accused is not one of your employees. Why is the accused then in court if he's not one of your employees?
I was informed by police that the police has found the same fingerprint from other incident. And it matched with the one they collected from my site. And to what the suspect here. And that investigation was not done with me, so I cannot answer that question.
You cannot do what?
I cannot answer that
No,
question.
so what I have is the police informed me that the suspect's fingerprints were found at my scene. Matched the fingerprints found at the scene. That's what I have.
Who had the keys to that safe?
It was the gentleman called Aragaki. That is one of them who was sleeping at
It's called who?
Aragaki.
Analaki.
Aragaki.
When you went to the office after the theft, after the said theft, did you find a safe in the office or it wasn't in the office?
It was in the office.
What?
It
In the
was in the
office.
office.
Was it broken or it was opened?
It was open, but it was not broken.
The safe was opened, Your Worship.
Not broken.
Not broken, yes. On that day, who had the keys for the safe? Do you know where the keys for the safe were left on that day?
No.
Okay, you also told court that you did the inventory after recording the statement. Is that correct?
Yes.
But you later on made the additional statement at police.
Right. Actually, you re-examined.
Sure.
Most of that.
You re-examined the building was story building, and Employees were sleeping in the upper rooms. The theft happened in 3 rooms in the ground floor. You cross-examined. So the only cross-examination was in respect
So
of.
I have to only re-examine the project.
I'm just saying you're repeating, not just Alabiseko was sleeping in one of the premises. Alabiseko left the keys in the office drawer. It is there on record.
Okay.
The time I made additional statements, I did not give the list of properties since
Mr. Judge. Kale, let me then proceed to
you
this.
really cross-examined, you re-examined on that area.
Okay, let me go to the
Let's go to
document.
the document.
Master Judge, thank you for your guidance.
Related to the company.
So who is she to you?
She is my sister.
And you also told court that there's nothing written on that document which shows that Naomi was receiving the goods on your behalf. What explanation do you give court?
I didn't keep the delivery note.
So that document is what? What is that? What is that document? What should I pray to?
The ones which were translated from
Yes,
Japanese
what is
to
it?
English.
Let's start from there. What is this document?
Proof of purchase.
It's proof of the purchase. So it's not what?
It is not a delivery note.
So where's the delivery note?
I did not keep it. I did not keep it.
You didn't keep it.
Don't keep it.
There's some item which actually Naomi paid by herself. Paid using her Visa card. What explanation do you also give for that?
Yes, I gave her cash and she paid my card.
Not does show directly to the answer.
What is clarifying what it was delivered in Japan to where? Okay, to where?
The residence. Residence.
Your residence.
My home.
So those ones are the ones which were supposed to be paid cash on delivery. How about the rest? Where were they delivered? The ones you paid in cash, the ones where were they delivered?
Depend on the items.
Let me take you to item.
Yes, I received that in Japan.
The monies which were used, it's about 34 million.
Council has spent that.
Yes?
Council General has spent that, not here.
Not here.
Council's calculation is about 34 million.
Yes. So you, according to your calculations, how much money does it come to? Approximately.
I have not calculated.
Do you think the money in that delivery, is it, you said it's what? That document, you said
Purchase document.
purchase document. That purchase document, do you think it can bring us to 1,169,000,000? Those goods.
The one this
Yes. Do you think it can bring us to that?
No.
So what explanation do you give for the variance?
Now there was many items I purchased in Uganda, so there's no translation for it. And also I could not trace all the history, the record of the purchase.
You're saying you purchased some items in Uganda.
Yes.
And you talked about SG, you wrote to SG wrote back to you, and they promised to pay you. You have a civil matter. Why have SG not paid? SG, why have they not paid your money to date? What explanation did they give you? for not paying you money?
It's still in the process in the court. Court hasn't given me the final one.
When you said you didn't have the documents, the receipts, the what, why didn't you carry the receipts knowing that today you were coming to court?
I checked the market price of the items and I calculated.
My question is, you didn't carry receipts today, and yet you knew it was important for you to carry receipts today. You were coming to court. Why didn't you carry receipts?
Especially the ones you bought from Uganda.
Yes, I didn't find it.
You don't have the receipts? They are not available or they are available?
I did not find it.
Did not find it.
The receipts.
Are they more than 3?
You worship, we have more than 3.
We're going to have it on 4th September. Is that available? 4th September. No, criminal is Monday and Thursday. Okay, 7. What time to September? Because someone wants to do this.
What's the complaint?
We're not sure about that.